I mean, that's one way to mount a Procharger. How do you feel about yourself?
Fantastic at the moment.
Love it. Just dirt bagged.
Yeah, completely. Just the way we like it.
So then we're going to mount the intercooler across the top, or what's your plan?
Yeah, kinda, sorta. There.
I like it. It'll work.
Like,
and then just pipes hanging over the fenders.
yeah, just curl them around. I can only go about that low, or I get too wide.
Yeah, whatever.
So,
I'm all for it.
I don't know if a guy's gonna see a lot in front of him, but...
Oh, that's hilarious. Should work.
Should get us close.
Yeah, it'll make some of that there boost. Stopped by the old Ribstone Brewery today. Myself a growler. You want some of this stuff there? Hmm?
Ooh, yeah.
So Chris is just finishing up the welds on the intake pipe. I'm working on a tensioner bracket. She's looking beautiful. Right, buddy?
She looks like something.
Yeah, it's something, all right. Perfect. Can't even tell it's modified. It looks stock.
Pretty much stock.
I love it. Good enough. Weld her up.
Weld her up. Fuck you. Could be a brick.
I love the view from in here. So we still got to install injectors and switch the tune over to speed density, but just unhook the intake pipe and we want to hear the Procharger, so let's see. Give her a go anyway.
Oh, we got no oil.
Oh yeah, have to go get some oil for the Procharger too. Just putting on the finishing touches.
Yeah.
Just need that better clamp for the intake and then we're good. Hanging out with some ladies now. Just getting the bypass valve put in.
Oh, yeah.
So I feel like I need to stop the video there for a minute and to kind of explain what was going on. We got everything installed that first day and had to wait until the next day to get Procharger oil and a few other things. So I went out to tune it and the thing would not make boost. It just, I don't know. We couldn't figure it out. We spent probably 3-4 days eliminating absolutely everything that it could possibly be except for the intercooler. So the day before the drag race, we decided to take the intercooler off and try that because it was either the intercooler or the Procharger was no good. Literally, we tried everything else. And turns out it was the intercooler. It was just a cheap $70 Amazon intercooler that, I don't know, it either leaked like a sieve or had so much resistance that it was building pressure on one side, just wouldn't flow through. So we took that off, just cut a straight hot air pipe and pulled a bunch of timing out of it, kind of got it dialed in, and yeah, that's the end result here coming up.
All right, back at the car tonight. We've been battling all week, not being able to build boost pressure. And last ditch effort, I came and took my Amazon intercooler out, put a chunk of pipe in, and what do you know? Got boost. So, turning her into a hot air get up, got her all flanged. See what she'll do today.
So just dialing in the tune. This is what we ended up doing, just straight hot air. But it'll work for today.